Hello everyone, I'm your host Harsha. Before we begin today's talk, I'm going to quickly show you a video clip that has gone viral and has garnered millions of views.
तेरी आंखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है। तेरी आंखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है। ये उठे सुबह चले, ये झुके शाम ढले।
मेरा जीना मेरा मरना इन पलकों के तले, तेरी आंखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है।
You just heard the golden voice of the silver screen, followed by a voice that has an uncanny resemblance to a legend. Today I have with me a young man from Kerala whose voice is going to give you goosebumps. When I heard him singing for the first time, I thought it's a prank and the boy is probably lip syncing, but I was wrong. His voice has a striking resemblance to the great singer of yesteryear, Mohammed Rafi, the versatile singer who sang timeless classics from peppy to patriotic, sad to romantic, qawwalis to bhajans. Director Manmohan Desai once remarked, if anyone has the voice of a god, it is Mohammed Rafi. With us is Saurav Kishan, who's now famous as Chota Mohammed Rafi.
Hi, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining us, Saurav.
Thank you so much for having me, ma'am.
How are you doing today?
Pretty good, pretty good. Thank you.
So, Saurav, let's begin this conversation with one of your favorite songs of Rafi Sahab.
Sure, ma'am. Hmm. तेरी आंखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है। तेरी आंखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है। ये उठे सुबह चले, ये झुके शाम ढले। मेरा जीना मेरा मरना इन पलकों के तले, तेरी आंखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है।
Thank you, Saurav. It's so surreal.
Thank you, ma'am.
Many singers have tried to copy Rafi Saab, but when you do it, it looks so effortless. जब आप गाते हैं, गाते समय रफी साहब के जैसे हरकतें और बुर्खियां लेते हैं, तो हूबहू ऐसा लगता है कि रफी साहब गा रहे हो एकदम. Really amazing.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much.
So, how does it feel, Saurav, to be compared to the legend? Who tagged you, Chota Rafi?
Actually, I'm so happy to hear that. But to make one thing sure that I'm nothing in front of Mohammad Rafi Saab. He's so unique, and I'm just doing my justice to his song. I'm so happy with it. People are accepting me, and I started listening to Mohammad Rafi Saab songs from a famous Malayalam music director called Johnson Master, and he told me to concentrate on Mohammad Rafi Saab songs. Then I am so lucky to be born in Calicut. All these people, they love old Bollywood hits, especially Mohammad Rafi Saab songs. So like that, I I concentrate on Mohammad Rafi Saab songs.
Okay. So, were you born and brought up in Kerala?
Yes, yes, yes. In Calicut. So I'll just I'm so happy like I'm born in Calicut because I just happen to listen to the voice of God, especially Mohammad Rafi Sabs and Kishore Da, Lata ji, Asha ji, Hemanta, Mahendra Kapoor ji, everybody. They are literally God. I'm so happy to hear them. Hear they sing.
So, Mohammed Rafi is very famous in Calicut.
Yes, yes. He's too famous because every day, evening or at night, we used to do a show or do a show in Tagore Hall near to the beach or town hall. We used to conduct Rafi night. So like I'm so lucky to be here. We love Mohammad Rafi Saab.
Okay. So, at what age did you start singing?
Since 3.5 years old, I started singing. My grandfather introduced me to music, and
Okay.
yeah, like that I started.
So, were you influenced by somebody in your family or friends or a music teacher? Or was it your grandfather used to listen to your grandfather and that's how you got
Yes, yes.
introduced to
He
music?
he used to play Mohammed Rafi
Okay.
Saab songs and old Hindi songs on his gramophone. So I used to hum that songs. Particular song I used to hum and I used to go around it and I will be so happy. So he told me like told to my dad that please like make him do sing. Please make him practice music. He has some taste in music, so please go with
Great.
him. Yeah.
And are you trained in classical music? Because it's not so simple to sing Mohammed Rafi's songs.
Yeah, ma'am. Like I'm learning Carnatic music and Hindustani music. So yeah, as you said, it's so like tough to learn Mohammed Rafi Saab song. Even his like sweet and simple song also, he has done so much justice and so much soul in that particular song. So it's so hard to sing his song.
And to match the texture of Rafi Saab's voice, do you have to modulate your voice or is it natural?
Actually, this is my natural voice. I only sing in my natural tone because when I imitate Mohammed Rafi Saab, I have to strain myself. So I I don't do that. I'm just singing my natural song, natural
Okay.
voice. My Gandharva Sangeetam reality show. Our judge also told me like not to imitate anybody. Just do you concentrate on your voice, natural voice. That's fine.
And your mother tongue is Malayalam. So
Yeah.
initially, was it difficult for you to sing Hindi songs?
Actually, like I told you before, I am so lucky to be born in Calicut because except me, every others, they know Hindi and Urdu, so they like correct my diction, pronunciation, like what to use khwab and how to say fool. Like they used to like correct me and help me a lot in that area.
If you get stuck with the Hindi words, you have friend to ask.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. And do you perform in Calicut mostly, or do you go out and perform?
Yeah, I did show in Calicut and Abu Dhabi, Bombay, and China. I did a program in China. So
So, are you a singer by profession?
I'm a medical student, and now
Oh,
I'm in my final year.
final year, and you're
Yeah,
studying where?
medicine MBBS.
Great to
Thank
hear
you,
that.
thank
Do you
you.
also play musical instruments?
Yeah, I do. I learned guitar, piano, and erhu instrument. It's actually a Chinese instrument. It's so beautiful
Okay.
to play. They taught me.
Oh. Sort of your video has gone viral with over 1 million views. Many celebrities like Shankar Mahadevan, Zakir Hussain, and Anand Mahindra have praised your singing. So
Yeah.
and you have also appeared on many TV channels, but you're not an accidental celebrity. You have been singing for almost a decade. So,
Yeah.
how does it feel to get this sudden internet fame which comes without a warning? Is it any different?
Actually, you know how I heard this like incident. Like I was at like 10 o'clock. I went to bed And at morning itself, I started I'm getting lots of messages like Andhra Mahindra sir, Shankar Mahadev sir. Yes, I was like literally on a dream. Like I still don't want to wake up. I'm so happy with it. I thank Anand Mahindra sir and Shankar Mahadev sir, Zakir Hussain sir, Revina Tando ma'am for retweeting and supporting me. Thank you so much, ma'am.
So is it any different? You're used to being famous, right? You have been singing for very long.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I did shows in Calicut, especially
Okay.
Mohammad Rafi sub night, Rafi night. I did lots of Rafi night in Calicut and yeah, in Calicut.
And what kind of compliments people give you? Like I've heard like people call you Chota Rafi Saab. What else people tell you?
Yeah, they used to like compliment me like that. So I'm so happy to hear it. I'm still learning and I will do my 100% justice to Rafi Saab's songs. I know I'm nothing in front of him, but still I will I will
You
do
to
my justice.
see Rafi again, his voice, to hear his voice again. Your YouTube, videos receive comments like Rafi Saab is reborn, he's incarnated. Some thank you for reviving the voice of Rafi Saab. So,
Okay.
why do you think even after so many years, people are still in love with his songs, whereas the shelf life of today's Bollywood singers is ebbing?
It's actually because what in my point of view and my perspective, Rafi Saab songs are in everybody's heart. Like it's genetically, it's there. So when we hear him sing, or when we hear his like name like Rafi Saab, it's actually giving us goosebumps, right, ma'am? Did you feel like that when hearing Mohammad Rafi Saab sing? His feel, we can actually picture that scenarios while he's singing. That's actually Rafi Saab, and he's also how do I put this? He's actually in a cricket field. He is a batsman, bowler, wicket keeper, fielder, like all sort of versatility. He did in his songs. So that's
And one
Mohammad Rafi
thing
Saab.
is common between you two. Muhammad Rafi used to sing, and there was this beautiful smile on his face. And when I see you singing, you have the same smile. That's really beautiful. That's again an uncanny
Ma'am,
resemblance.
ma'am, actually, that's because of his humility, ma'am. Like Mohammad Rafi Saab has, because of his character too, ma'am. That when he sings, it's reflecting that his humbleness. We can feel in that song. In every song, we can feel. That's Mohammad
I
Rafi
can
Saab.
feel that. Many youth today, Saurabh, listen to songs from the golden era of Indian culture, which is our cultural heritage. So, do you come
Yeah.
across youth who have never heard Rafi Saab songs in their lives?
No, no, no. Even Chinese, I happen to have lots of Chinese friends. They still listen to Mohammad Rafi Saab song. So how can how can we forget such a legend?
I'm
So
talking about the
everybody.
young generation, like somebody
Yeah.
who's younger than you.
No, 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 no. I'm just so lucky
That's
that I didn't find anybody who didn't hear Mohammad Rafi Saab songs. Because in Vivid Bharati or in every radio station, like in a day, we can hear at least one or two Mohammad Rafi Saab songs. So everybody knows who
great.
is. Yeah.
What are your plans for the future? Do you want to pursue medicine?
Yeah. That's my. I'm just following my grandfather's footsteps. I just want
Okay.
to move with my medicine as my profession and music as my passion.
Oh,
I love
great.
music. Music, I can't live music. It's still there.
Do you want to be a playback singer? Do you plan to be?
Yeah, that's my dream. So I hope everything is left to Almighty.
Wish you all the best.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Saurabh, for sharing your personal journey with us. But we cannot let you go without singing a few songs for us.
Sure, sure.
आसमान, आंखों में सारी रात जाएगी, तुमको भी कैसे नींद आएगी। ओ खोया खोया चाँद, खुला आसमान, आंखों में सारी रात जाएगी, तुमको भी कैसे नींद आएगी। ओ खोया खोया चाँद। मस्ती भरी हवा जो चली, मस्ती भरी हवा जो चली, खिल खिल गई ये दिल की कली, मन की कली में है कलबली, कि उनको तो बुलाओ। हो खोया खोया चाँद, खुला आसमान, आंखों में सारी रात जाएगी, तुमको भी कैसे नींद आएगी। ओ खोया खोया चाँद।
One more, Saurabh.
One more, okay, ma'am.
One more.
बहारों फूल बरसाओ, मेरा महबूब आया है, मेरा महबूब आया है। बहारों फूल बरसाओ, मेरा महबूब आया है, मेरा महबूब आया है। हवाओं रागनी गाओ, मेरा महबूब आया है, मेरा महबूब आया है।
Great. This is lovely. Can you
Thank you,
sing
ma'am.
Gulabi Aankhein for us?
Sure, 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 sure.
Thank you so much, Saurabh.
Gulabi Aankhein, I will sing it like this, okay, ma'am? La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la। गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी, शराबी ये दिल हो गया। संभालो मुझको ओ मेरे यारों, संभलना मुश्किल हो गया। गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी, शराबी ये दिल हो गया।
Thank you. Thank you
Thank you,
so
ma'am.
much, Saurabh. And
Thank
thank
you,
you
ma'am.
for giving Rafi Saab back to us.
Thank you, ma'am.
Lovely talking to you. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.